Okay, there is a common question how to answer IELTS speaking part 1 and part 3 questions. Okay, it's very simple. The first thing is do not give irrelevant answer or do not give indirect answer. Indirect answer is they ask you, do you like music? Music is very important in life. Different people listen to different type of music and all that. This is irrelevant answer. And one more thing, whenever they ask you question with do you means you need to answer in personal capacity with I. Okay, if they say do we, then you can answer with we. And if they say with do they about people, then you can answer with do they actually. Okay, so when they say do you, never answer with we. Always answer with I. Okay, now you can answer in 3 steps. Step number 1, answer the question directly. If the question goes like, do you watch TV? Yes, why not? I always watch TV regularly. Now you have answered the question. When you answer the question, after that, the second step is you need to elaborate your answer. And in order to elaborate your answer, try to make first compound sentence. What is that? I always watch TV because, and after because, whatever you add, it will become your compound sentence. Okay? And then you can give some more reasons. So part 1, answer the question directly, 1 compound sentence. Part 2, elaborate your answer in 2 to 3 sentences. And at the end, 1 sentence conclusion. Therefore, I love to watch TV. That is why in my free time, I prefer watching TV. So this is what we call conclusion. And you must conclude. Do not finish your answer abruptly. Abruptly means you are answering and then you are thinking and then you say, bas. Okay, it should not be like that. You should conclude your answer in 5-6 sentences, and after a couple of sentences, you will be clear. After a couple of questions, in actual exam, when you answer, if your answers are long, examiner will interrupt you. If your answers are short, examiner will say, why? When examiner says why, it means your answer was short, you need to add some more. If examiner interrupts you, it means your answer was long, so you need to cut your answer short. Okay? So, let's start from here or here. Anywhere? Okay, I start from you then. How often do you take rest?
Sir, I usually take a rest at night time. When I go for work and my daily routine and feel tiredness, so it's natural body feel comfortable, body feel relaxation. So it's a night time for best for rest.
Okay, now remember one thing, do not give a generalized answer. Now body feels comfortable, body needs rest, night time is comfortable. No, you need to talk about yourself. For example, how often do you take rest? I only take rest at night. During the day, I don't have any time. I've got a very busy day. And in the evening, when I reach home after dinner, I feel tired. And then I take a sleep for around 8 to 9 hours. So I would say I take rest once in a day. Okay, but don't say body needs rest, body needs this, body needs that. Okay, just talk about yourself and give a personal answer, not a general one. Okay. Let's go on. What do you usually do when you are resting?
Sir, I usually do when I resting, I use mobile and search news on different topics. I use Twitter, Instagram, etc. And I also love to watch movies in my resting time, and sometimes also love to see.
Okay, so you need to conclude your answer properly and you need to focus your pronunciation. It's not mobile. Okay. Bal is, ox. Okay, so mobile and all that. Let's go on. Do you take a nap during the day?
Yes, sir. I usually take a nap in the day after my Zohar prayer. I always take a nap in my daytime.
Okay, now nap is the word. For that you can use the word I sleep for a short time. I sleep for a short while, right? I take a quick nap. These type of words will further improve your bench score. Okay, overall it's fine. Try to look at the examiner when you are answering. Okay, although there's no marking criteria, but
I feel little hesitation when I see someone directly eyes.
Okay. So what will you do when you're going to get married, huh? You're looking here and there. Okay.
Okay, I will try my best.
Sure. All right, now let's go on. It's your turn. Topic is home country. Which part of your country do you like to live in?
Actually, I love my country very much.
Now, see, this is irrelevant. Okay, the question is, which part of your country do you like to live in? As my country is very beautiful and I would love to live in any corner of my country, but the capital city Islamabad is my most favorite. I would love to live there after marriage. Huh?
Okay, sir.
होगी मंगनी शंगनी के नहीं?
नहीं.
Physically, no? Mentally? No? Okay,
Why
so...
you always stop on a marriage?
Huh?
Or a relationship?
I will tell you personally. Okay, after the class we'll talk about it. Okay, so let's go on. I'll ask you again. Which part of your country do you like to live in?
Actually, I love my country very much, and I live in any corner of my country, but I like a capital city of Pakistan. The capital city of Pakistan is Islamabad. There are many hospitals and
Okay, no. This is all irrelevant. This again, if you define Islamabad, Faisal Mosque, yeah, Shakkarpariya and Damneko and all that, this is all irrelevant. The question is, you like to live. So then you should say, I would love to live there because it's a very peaceful city. It's all green, something like that. Okay, let's go on. Okay. What do you like about your hometown?
the name of my hometown.
No, I'm not asking the name. What do you like about your hometown? Say, I love, and then whatever you love about your hometown.
I love my hometown very much because there are many greenery in my hometown, and there are many hospital and markets and everything available that people need it. And there are a pollution in our hometown.
See, your answer is, in every sentence is different one. First you talked about hospitals, then you talked about pollution. The question is, what do you like about your hometown? Do you like pollution?
No, sir.
No, then don't talk about it. What do you like about your hometown? I like greenery in my hometown because my hometown is situated in an area which is surrounded by lush green fields. So it's the greenery that I like, and on the other hand, people of my hometown are very friendly. So I like these two things. Simple. Okay, what you are doing, you're going away from the topic. So try to stick to the topic, answer the question directly, 2-3 sentences to express yourself on that, and 1 sentence to conclude. That will be fine. Okay, all right, thank you so much.